Bro, does he got pins in himself? What the fuck? Oh, he got his baby. Oh, she got his baby on his back. I was like, what the fuck is on his back? Her back, cause it's a she now. Where did she go? She's under there. I don't know if she's gonna attack me or not. Oh my god, oh my god. Mm. Come here, I'm gonna give you milk. This nigga is leaving. Oh my god. Come out of here, I'm not gonna kill you, I don't have a gun. Come out of here, boy. Girl, whatever, shut up, get up. Hey, get the fuck out of there, boy. My nigga, don't be scared of me. I don't blow. Come on, yeah, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. I cannot zoom in that far. Can you get the fuck out of there, my nigga? Oh my god. Damn, hold on tight, babies. Hold on tight. Oh my god, what the fuck? Damn, you tired of carrying those baby everywhere or what? Dang, you got all the babies on your top. You're the goat. You got like 6 baby on your top. Oh my niggas.